Samsung Galaxy S25 series leak reveals key details ahead of launch. Just hours before Samsung's big reveal in San Jose, California, leaks from IR Iran have provided an early look at the Galaxy S25 lineup, including their retail boxes and live photos. The series will feature three models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. The retail boxes are slim and minimalist, with no chargers included. The leaks also showcase the stunning color options: the Galaxy S25 in a clean gray finish, the Galaxy S25 Plus in a deep dark blue, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra in a premium titanium ice blue. The Ultra retains its iconic S Pen slot and boasts rounded edges for a refined design. The base Galaxy S25 will start with 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat modest offering, though all models benefit from a RAM upgrade to 12 gigabytes. Under the hood, the entire lineup is expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, reportedly customized and overclocked as the For Galaxy Edition. The official launch event begins at 6 p.m. UTC and fans can watch the unveiling live. While hopes for a Galaxy S25 Slim at this event were dashed, reports suggest it may be released later this year. The Now bar is designed to make your days smarter and more efficient. Samsung has also partnered with Google to integrate Gemini AI, a game-changing advancement that enhances everyday tasks. Gemini AI makes life easier with features like voice command assistance, enabling you to send messages or share your location with just a tap for confirmation. This partnership blends seamlessly with Samsung's own GS AI technology to deliver an intuitive, adaptive experience. Some of the most exciting AI-powered features include YouTube Notes, which generates text summaries of YouTube videos and saves them directly to Samsung Notes, and Music Search, which identifies songs playing on your device or in your surroundings. The Homework Assistant offers step-by-step solutions to equations, making it a valuable tool for students. Samsung's enhanced routines also take center stage, suggesting apps, music, or navigation routes tailored to your daily habits. Photography and videography are also seeing a major upgrade. The improved night mode, or nightography, delivers exceptional low-light performance, capturing crisp and vibrant details even in dark settings. Meanwhile, the introduction of the audio eraser is a game-changer for video editing. This feature allows you to isolate and adjust specific audio elements in your video clips directly from the Gallery app. With support for various sound types like voices, wind, music, and crowd noise, the audio eraser gives you professional-level control with simple sliders. The design of the Galaxy S25 series is equally impressive. All models feature slimmer bezels, flat displays, and a refined frame for improved ergonomics. The Galaxy S25 Ultra takes things further with rounded corners for a more comfortable grip. The color lineup is stunning, with options like light blue, light green, dark blue, and silver for the S25 and S25 Plus, while the Ultra model comes in premium titanium shades such as white silver, black gray, and blue silver. The Ultra's design is taller, narrower, and lighter, making it more comfortable to hold and visually appealing. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 series is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chip globally. This chipset features an upgraded MPU, machine processing unit, designed for advanced on-device AI capabilities. Whether it's enhancing app performance, powering AI features, or optimizing battery life, this processor ensures the Galaxy S25 series stays ahead of the competition. Samsung is also offering amazing pre-order perks. By reserving a Galaxy S25, which is free and requires no credit card, you'll secure a guaranteed $50 credit and a chance to win up to $5,000 in Samsung credit. These offers make upgrading to the Galaxy S25 series an even better deal. To build excitement, Samsung has been teasing the Galaxy S25 series with dazzling global campaigns, including light shows and holograms featuring the Galaxy AI. These promotions highlight the incredible nightography feature and the AI capabilities that make the Galaxy S25 light years ahead. The brand is also showcasing promotional renders of the devices, revealing their sleek designs and standout features. The Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be one of the most innovative smartphone lineups yet, combining state-of-the-art AI features, powerful performance, and a stunning design. With tools that simplify daily tasks, enhance creativity, and improve productivity, these devices are a testament to Samsung's commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology. What excites you the most about the Galaxy S25 series? Is it the advanced AI tools, the stunning new design, or the incredible pre-order perks? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech news. See you in the next video. Peace out.